Numbers tell us what's happening, but stories tell us why. That's the heart of qualitative research. While quantitative data gives us the big picture, qualitative research dives deep into the details, exploring the meaning and experiences behind the numbers. In this video, we'll uncover how qualitative research helps us understand the world through people's perspectives, emotions, and stories. Let's begin our journey into the world of qualitative research and see why stories matter just as much as statistics. Qualitative research is all about exploring meaning, experience, and perspective. Instead of asking how many people think something, it asks why they think it. This approach is especially useful when we want to understand complex human behaviors, motivations, and social contexts. By focusing on the why and how rather than just the what or how many, qualitative research provides a richer, more nuanced understanding of the world around us. One key approach in qualitative research is ethnography. Ethnography involves immersing oneself in a community or group to truly understand its culture, values, and everyday life. Researchers might live among the people they're studying, observing their routines, participating in activities, and gathering insights from direct experience. This method helps uncover the subtle dynamics and unwritten rules that shape a community's behavior. Phenomenology is another important approach. It focuses on studying people's lived experiences. Researchers aim to understand how individuals perceive and make sense of their own experiences, often through in-depth interviews or personal narratives. This method is especially valuable when exploring topics like trauma, joy, or personal transformation, where the subjective viewpoint is essential. Case studies offer a detailed focus on a single group, person, or event. By zeroing in on one specific case, researchers can explore all the factors that influence it, uncovering patterns and insights that might be missed in broader studies. Case studies are especially useful for understanding unique or complex situations, providing a comprehensive view that numbers alone can't capture. Grounded theory is a method where researchers build theories directly from the data they collect. Instead of starting with a hypothesis, they let patterns and themes emerge naturally from interviews, observations, or documents. This approach is powerful for discovering new concepts and relationships that haven't been previously identified, making it a cornerstone of qualitative research. Interviews are a foundational method in qualitative research. By having one-on-one conversations, researchers can ask open-ended questions and encourage participants to share their thoughts in detail. This method allows for deep exploration of personal experiences, beliefs, and motivations, providing insights that structured surveys often miss. Focus groups bring together several participants to discuss a topic in a group setting. This method helps researchers observe group dynamics, shared beliefs, and differing opinions. The interaction between participants often sparks new ideas and reveals social influences that might not surface in individual interviews. Observation is another key method, where researchers watch people in their natural environment. Whether it's a classroom, workplace, or public space, observation allows researchers to see real behaviors as they happen. This method is especially useful for understanding routines, interactions, and unspoken social rules. Once data is collected, the next step is coding. Coding means labeling chunks of text or observations, grouping them into themes, and building insights. This process helps researchers organize complex information and identify patterns that might not be obvious at first glance. Coding is both an art and a science, requiring careful attention to detail and a systematic approach. The true strength of qualitative research lies in its richness. Unlike numbers, qualitative data reveals the nuances, emotions, and context behind people's actions. It gives us texture and depth, allowing us to see the world through someone else's eyes. This richness is what makes qualitative research so valuable for understanding human meaning. With great depth comes great responsibility. Qualitative researchers must be rigorous and systematic in their approach. This means being transparent about how data is coded, ensuring the process is consistent, and always respecting participants' voices. Ethics are at the core. Researchers must protect privacy, obtain consent, and represent people's stories honestly. Ultimately, qualitative research seeks to answer a powerful question. What does this mean to the people experiencing it? By centering the voices and perspectives of participants, researchers gain insights that numbers alone can't provide. This approach brings us closer to understanding the true impact of events, policies, or experiences on real lives. While numbers are essential for measuring trends and patterns, stories give us the context and meaning behind those trends. Qualitative research doesn't replace quantitative data, it complements it. By combining both, we get a fuller, more accurate picture of reality, one that honors both the facts and the feelings. In our next episode, we'll explore mixed methods research, combining the strengths of both numbers and stories. This approach allows us to answer not just what is happening, but also why and how. Stay tuned as we dive into the best of both worlds and discover how mixed methods can lead to even deeper insights.